Hi Crafty Friends, it's Sylvia. How's everyone doing tonight? Tonight we're actually going to do a diamond painting from Diamond Art Club, but it's not going to be snack size because I actually don't have any. Every time I'm going to buy one, they're all out of stock. So yeah, so hopefully I'll have one next weekend. So this one's actually a medium size, and this one's absolutely gorgeous. It's a round, okay, because you see that it says round diamonds. It's also a circle, and it's in pink, okay. It's called Cherry Blossom Reflection by Diamond Art Club. So let me bring it up so you can see. There's a picture of it. Okay, and it always comes in a beautiful box. Scan me to unlock for 10% off. And then in the back, it tells you how it works step by step and what's inside the kit in English, French, and Spanish. All right, so let's open this baby up. All right, let's see. What do we have in the box? Now, this is a new toolkit, which is nice. Okay, all the paintings come with 2 stickers, a small one and a big one. This is actually perfect size, guys. Not too big, not too small. Okay, and what's great about the toolkit is that we never know what color diamond pen we're going to get, or what cover minder, or what washi tape. So we will see. What's inside the bag? Let's see. Okay, so it looks like we're gonna have a, I think that's like black diamond pen. Yep. Okay, so let's put this aside. So here we have the little, it's in black also. It's the comfort grip, and so that goes in the pen. And this is supposed to help if you have arthritis or just to help you with your hands. See? So it's perfect. Okay, and it comes with 2 placers. Oops, sorry. This one's a 7, and this one, it says 4. And it comes with a cute cover minder. I believe it's a beautiful flower, blue flower with the yellow in the middle. And a cover minder is basically, it's a magnet, but basically it's to hold the plastic when you're working on your diamond painting. So you pull the plastic back, and you put this on top of the plastic, and this underneath the painting, and they snap, and they will hold the plastic back while you diamond paint. All right, and it comes with resealable bags, just in case if you don't have the containers with you or you're traveling, you can put them in there. And it comes with a heart-shaped container with 2 waxes in there, which are, these waxes are really good, guys. And this beautiful washi tape has like little pretty pink flowers. And of course, the tray. All right, so let's put all this aside. And then of course, this is a small sticker, and you could either put this on top of your box, or in the bottom of your box, or in your logbook. All right, and all the bags from Diamond Art Club, all the paintings, not all the bags, all the paintings from Diamond Art Club come in a plastic bag, and they all say Diamond Art Club, do what makes you sparkle, but I say do what makes you happy. Okay, and this is just to protect the painting while it's traveling. And actually, you can actually put it back in plastic if you're not going to work on the painting yet. All right, and inside there's always the drills and the sticker and the instructions. So here's thank you for your purchase, what's included in the kit, tips and tricks, okay, step-by-step instructions. All right, so let's put that aside. And here's the big sticker. It's absolutely gorgeous. So Cherry Blossom Reflection by Diamond Art Club. So you put in the start date and then the end date when you finish the painting, and you put this in your logbook. It's got a beautiful picture. And of course, these are the pre-cut stickers that go on your containers. And of course, these are the drills. All right. And it comes with a sticker that tells you that these drills go with that painting, Cherry Blossom Reflection, just in case you separate them. Okay, and then of course the canvas, guys, is super, super soft. As you can see, it looks a little wrinkled, but I mean, it has been in the box for a while, right? So it's going to look like that, but because it's the canvas is just removing some of the glue. It's made with heavy waterproof, heavy-duty waterproof tarpaulin fabric, and it's supposed to help with to prevent wrinkling and fraying. Okay, so you could actually do this too. All right. And if you leave it flat overnight or whatever, it'll flatten by itself. So let's turn this baby over here. Look at how gorgeous this is, guys. Oh, the glare, hold on. The glare, go away. This one too. Okay, is that better? All right, all the canvases on the top always say, do what makes you sparkle, Diamond Art Club. They all have two legends. One legend is on the upper left-hand side, and then the other legend is on the lower right-hand side. And then in the bottom, it always has a picture. It tells you DAC, Cherry Blossom Reflection, which is the name of the painting. It's 25.2 inches by 16.5 inches, which is 64 centimeters by 42 centimeters, okay? And it's from Diamond Art Club. And then in the middle, it basically tells you that you can take 10% off your next order. You can find them on Facebook and Instagram. And then over here, you have the lifetime warranty, which is a 30-day money-back guarantee, free diamond spill insurance, and 10% cashback rewards with every order. Yes. All right, guys, let's look at this beautiful painting. When I look at this painting, and the reason I bought it is because it's just very, very, very calming, very relaxing, very peaceful, you know, and it's absolutely gorgeous. The colors, look at the colors. This is a beautiful cherry blossom tree. And then look at this. Let me bring it up. It's got like pinks and reds. It's gorgeous, guys. And then you know what's the best part? Is the reflection. See that? The reflection across the water. You can see the tree, the cherry blossom tree. And then of course you have some greenery here. And then look at the background. It's gorgeous. You can see the sky. I think these are mountains back here. I'm not sure. And I just love all the pinks and the reds in this. And also, I think it has like a little bit of color blocking by looking at it. It has like a little bit of both, because there's a lot of confetti, I think, on the tree. Confetti over here. Confetti, of course, on the reflection of the tree. And of course, color blocking on the sky. And all over here is color blocking. Confetti basically means that you're going to have to be changing your drills, because there's different kinds of colors here, drills. And then color blocking is just the same color, so you don't have to do a lot of changing. Absolutely stunning. Just beautiful, guys. So let's look at the drills. All right, let us begin. 317 pewter gray. Can you see it there? There. 318 is steel gray light. 336 navy blue. 413 pewter gray dark. 414 steel gray dark. 498 red dark. 600 is cranberry very dark. 601 cranberry dark. Do we have space here? 602 cranberry medium. 603 cranberry. And 605 cranberry light. So this must be for the blossom, the flowers. Okay, 644 is beige gray medium. 645 beige gray. Oh wait, no, I'm sorry. 644 is beige gray medium. And 645 is beaver gray, very dark. And 648 is beaver gray light. So lots of grays in this one too. 775 is baby blue, very light. 798 is Delft blue, dark. And 799 is Delft blue, medium. This one's 838, and this is beige brown, very dark. 841 is beige brown, light. 890 is pistachio green, ultra dark. And 898 is carnation, very light. I should have brought the light over here a little closer so you can see the colors better. Sorry about that. 907 is Parrot Green Light. 915 Plum Dark. 917 Plum Medium. 937 Avocado Green Medium. 938 Coffee Brown Ultra Dark. 3033 is Mocha Brown Very Light. 3347 is Yellow Green Medium. And 3348 is also Yellow Green but Light. 3371 Black Brown. 3607 is Plum Light. 3755 is Baby Blue. And this is 3756, and it's like a very, very light blue. And this one's 3799, and this is Pewter Gray Very Dark. Okay, and these are the last ones. 3841 is Baby Blue Pale. And you have 2 packets of 3865, which is Winter White. All right, so those are all the colors. As you can see, lots of in the pink family, and lots of grays and browns and blues. So absolutely beautiful. All right, so let's move all these aside, and let's bring out the ABs. It has 3 ABs, so all together, I believe it's 30. Let's see, I think I wrote it down here. It's 39 colors altogether. So I guess 36 colors plus the 3 ABs. Okay, so here it's the AB 127. It's a very light peach. Very, very pretty. And then 131 AB, it's like a light orange. And 135, it's like a yellow green. Okay, so let's bring back the canvas and let's see where these beautiful ABs belong. Okay, and let's move this back now because we don't need the glare. Okay, so 127, when you look at the legend, and what's great about the legend, which I forgot to tell you guys, sorry, is that it tells you how many colors. It's 39 colors. And then in the middle, it's basically the symbols, and the symbols are what you find in the painting. And then these numbers are the DMC code. Okay. So by just looking at this, at the legend, this is 127, which is symbol 1. Okay. So wherever you see symbol 1 or number 1, and that's where this AB is going to go. Okay, so I see some over here, some over here, some over here. So it looks like it's scattered on the tree. Any down here? Yep, there's some here on the reflection on the water. And any down here? Yep, there's some down here, some here. So it's like scattered everywhere, which is going to look very, very pretty, guys. And then this one is going to be symbol number 2, and it's right here. So wherever you see this little, like, it's like a little orange color. So it's like also on the flowers, okay, or in the leaves. And some down here. Okay, that's about it. And then this one is symbol 3. So wherever you see number 3, and it's going to be over here. Over here. I'll move this out of the way. Over here. And some over here. Okay, is that the branches? Let's see. No, that looks like it's grass, like tall grass. So you have tall grass here, and then you have some grass here also. All those are number 3 and number 2. And yeah. Okay, and then of course this one, we did this one, didn't we? Yeah, this was symbol 1. Okay, so it looks like it's all on the flowers, on the grass here, on the tall grass. And that's about it. Would you add more ABs? I don't think I would. I think it's just beautiful. It's simple, but what's the word? It's just stunning. I don't know. It's just spectacular. I just love this. All right, so I hope you will love this painting as much as I do, and I hope you guys have a wonderful, wonderful rest of the night. And thank you, and bye-bye.